Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by doing a targeted power cycle and network assessment. Turn the Xbox off completely, hold the power button for 10 seconds, then wait 30 seconds before restarting. While it reboots, plug the console directly into your router with an Ethernet cable, because wired connections reduce latency and packet loss. Once done, close all background apps and verify free storage is above 10% to prevent slow iSlasho. This reduces load and gives the system breathing room for caching and smooth UI responsiveness. Next, focus on software and network tuning to eliminate hidden bottlenecks. Update the console and all apps so background services aren't fighting for resources. Install queued downloads one at a time. Then change DNS to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 to reduce lookup delays and test ping again. If you own the router, enable CoS and prioritize the Xbox's MAC or IP address to reserve bandwidth, because consistent throughput prevents stutters and slow UI responses during gameplay or updates. Finish by addressing storage integrity and doing conservative resets. Clear local saved games cache and run maintenance. Corrupted saves or cache blocks cause lag. If problems remain, perform a factory reset but back up profiles and saves to the cloud first, because resets restore factory settings and remove persistent software issues. If the console still responds slowly after these steps, test the Xbox on a different network to isolate the problem. If it's still slow, contact support. This confirms whether the issue is hardware-related and needs repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.